Okay, so this video is part of download functionality wherein I'm going to show you how to export data to PDF. In earlier videos, we have seen how to export data in CSV and then Excel, but sometimes you need to export data into PDF. So how to achieve this functionality in Visual Builder? Okay, so again, I'm going to create a new page, download, export to PDF. Okay, create. So what I'm going to do, I am going to create, okay. So for this, I am going to use REST. So this is the API which I'm going to use, which will return the list of countries. Okay, click service connection. Okay, next, and then test this and send request. It will return more data, but it's not good practice to have all the data as a sample data. You can truncate all the record and keep only single record to get a sample response. Okay, but for this, let me just use this, save an example response, and you see how much time it took because it has a lot of data. Create. So I am going to use this one, create a table component. Okay, and then click on add data. I'm going to use this API. Okay, and then here, first of all, I am going to use one component called flag. Okay, that will be kind of image. And then I am going to use a common name, reason, and then I'm going to use some other fields like we can use some fields. Flags, this is fine. You can use languages. Okay. Okay, don't use it. Use some fields like population. Okay, you can use sub reason. That's fine. You can use any field, primary key next, and then finish. Okay, the data should be populated now. Oh, what happened to this? Why it is not getting populated? It should be populated, I guess. So let me just control check. Let me just try again. Add data. Let me use this. All. Next, let me try to use flag as it is. It will be populated. Let me use the common name, then subregion population. Let's use one more, pipa. Okay, here you see this has been populated. That's fine. Now, what I need to do, I need to give a button here. Then put export to PDF. And then use I start icon, and then this one, and let's say PDF. Okay, that's fine. Go back. Let's use this call to action. I need to write a little JavaScript code for this. Okay, so this is a JavaScript code here. You see the function name is export to PDF. And here I'm using this ID attribute custom table. Can copy this and then make sure you select this table and then make an ID of it. Okay, then here you see in the JavaScript code, I'm using some library, the JS PDF library I'm using. So I need to I need to put some script reference. Go here, go to index.html. I'm going to put it here. Okay, so these are three script stack. One is to put jQuery, second is DOM to image, and third is JS PDF. Go back, go to page designer. Okay. Now select this button, generate an event, OJ action. Let's see what PDF. Action chain. Call function. And here I need to use export to PDF. That's fine. Let's try to test this. So the JavaScript function which I have written here does not have much control. Means if you want to customize your PDF, like you want to put some header, some fancy header, that will not do. What it will do, it will simply print that page into a PDF. That it will do only. But if you wanted to customize it, you can look at the JS PDF library to explore more feature of this library. Okay, so here you see we have a lot of data. Okay, let's try to export to PDF. It will take a little time to export, but it's fine. Let it be. Okay, the file name is employee.pdf, but if you want to change it, you can go here. Let's say countries.pdf. Okay. Then this one. Right. Okay. Okay, countries.pdf. If we open this, you can see, and only I have the single page. You can see all the data on a single page. So the JavaScript code which I have written does not have much control, means you cannot customize your PDF. Whatever data is there, it will just export it as a PDF in a single page. But if you want to have more control, like if you wanted to put some header here, you see whatever, okay, whatever header is there, it will come as it is. But if you wanted to put some customized header, like, and then you wanted to give some blue header, blue background on this header, you can look at the JS PDF library, which I have used here, which will give you more option. But that's all about this. This is how you can use the basic functionality to export your data into PDF. Thank you. Bye-bye.